Class 7 SOF IMO Previous Year Paper 2024 to 2025 Set B Part 2. Everyday Mathematics question number 36. Out of 10 different colored shirts, a man wants to wear the colored shirt which is most liked by the people. Which measure of central tendency would be most appropriate if the data is provided to him? Mean is the average of all the given numbers. Median is the middle value of the set. Mode is the number that appears most often. Since it says most liked by the people, it means one with the highest frequency of use. So the answer is mode. Everyday Mathematics question number 37. Pratik travels 205 kilometers towards the east from his house to city X. From city X on the same road, he travels 178 kilometers towards west. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then which integer will represent his final distance from his house? Final distance between Pratik and his house is equal to 205 minus 178 kilometers. That is 27 kilometers. Everyday Mathematics question number 38. Avantika bought 80 pears for 40 rupees. Out of them, 25 pears were spoiled and thrown away. She sold the remaining pears at a profit of 10%. Find the selling price of one pear. Cost of 80 pears is equal to 40 rupees. Number of spoiled pears is equal to 25. So, remaining pears is equal to 55. Given she sold the remaining pears for 10% profit. Therefore, selling price of 55 pears is equal to 40 plus 10% of 40. That is 44 rupees. Selling price of one pear is equal to 45 by 55, which is equal to 0.80 rupees. Everyday Mathematics question number 39. If a rectangular piece of cloth is 400 centimeters long and 300 centimeters wide, then the total cost of lacing at the rate of 60 rupees per 100 centimeters is. Perimeter of rectangular piece of cloth is equal to 1400 centimeters. Cost of lacing 100 centimeters is 60 rupees. Therefore, cost of lacing 1400 centimeters is equal to 840 rupees. Everyday Mathematics question number 40. Mishra bought 4 kgs of apples priced at 150 rupees 0.5 per kg. 2 dozen bananas priced at 60 rupees 0.5 per dozen and 3 watermelons each priced 120.5. How much total amount did she spend? So she spent total 1084.5 rupees. Everyday Mathematics question number 41. A rope is 2x square plus 3 meters long. Another rope of length 3x square minus 7 meters is attached to it. What is the total length of two ropes if together if x is equal to minus 2? Now substituting the value of x is equal to minus 2 in the length of ropes, we will get 16 meters. Everyday Mathematics question number 42. The population of a city is 4 lakhs, out of which 55 are female and rest are males. Out of the total population, 90% males and 85 females are literate. How much total population in the city is illiterate? Total population of the city is equal to 4 lakhs. Total number of females is equal to 2 lakhs 20,000. Total number of males is equal to 1 lakh 80,000. Total number of literate people is equal to 90% of 1 lakh 80,000 plus 85% of 2 lakh 20,000, which is equal to 3 lakhs 49,000. Therefore, number of illiterate people are 4 lakhs minus 3 lakhs 49,000, which is equal to 51,000. Everyday Mathematics question number 43. Kanika opened a cubicle box along its sides. She painted blue color on all of its inside faces and red color on all of its outside faces. If the cost of the painting is 5 rupees per square meter, then find the total cost of painting the box. Area of 1 cube is equal to 25 square centimeters. Blue is painted on all 6 inner faces, while red is painted on all 6 outer faces. In total, 12 faces are painted. Total area of cube painted is equal to 25 square centimeter into 12, which is equal to 300 square centimeters. Now cost of painting per centimeter square is rupees 5. Therefore, cost of painting 300 square centimeter is equal to 1500 rupees. Everyday mathematics question number 44. A pole is broken at a height of 15 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at distance of 8 meters from base of the pole. Find the original height of the pole. Now we can see that BCD forms a right angle triangle. Now using this formula, we can find the value of BD square, that is 17 into 17. So BD is equal to 17 meters. Now height of the pole is equal to BD plus BC, which is equal to 32 meters, that is AC. Everyday mathematics question number 45. A certain amount of money is distributed amongst P, Q and R. P gets 5 by 18 and Q gets 5 by 9 of the total amount. If R gets rupees 600, then money P and Q gets is dash respectively. Let the total money is equal to rupees X. In this, P gets 5 by 18 and Q gets 5 by 9. We can write P's share as 5 by 18x and Q's share as 5 by 9x. We can frame this equation as 5 by 18x plus 5 by 9x plus R is equal to x. Now substituting the value of R, we will get 5 by 18x plus 5 by 9x plus 600 is equal to x. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 3600 rupees. After finding the total amount, we can determine the individual shares of P and Q. P is 1000 rupees and Q is 2000 rupees. Achiever section question number 46. Match the following, select the correct option. P. If 3 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 9 to the power 3x minus 1, then x is. We can rewrite the right-handed side with the base 3 so that both the sides have the same base and then equate the exponents to solve for x. Now equating the power, we will get x as 3 by 4. Q. The value of this given expression is. Simplifying, we'll get 225. R. The value of this is. The value is 1024. And the S option is equal to 9 by 16. Achiever section question number 47. State T for true and F for false and select the correct option. 1. A circle and a rectangle have the same perimeter. If the sides of the rectangle are 56 cm and 32 cm, then the area of the circle is 2464 cm square. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 176 cm, which is equal to the circumference of the circle. Now circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, that is 176 cm. Now solving, we'll get r as 28 cm. Then the area of the circle is A, which is equal to pi r square, that is 2464 cm square. So option 1 is true. Second one, if in two triangles the ratio of the areas is 8:5 and the ratio of their height is 3:4, then the ratio of their bases is 7:9. Given areas of the triangle are in ratio 8:5. Let the area be A and then area of the first triangle is 8A and the second triangle is 5A. Let their bases be B1 and B2 and the height be 3H and 4H. Now the ratio of the area can be written as 8A by 5A is equal to 1 by 2 into B1 into 3H by 1 by 2 into B2 into 4H. Now the ratio of their bases is 32:15, not 7 by 9. So statement 2 is false. Third one, if the height of the triangle is decreased by 40% and its base is increased by 20%, then the new area will be 18 by 25 times the old area of the triangle. Let the base and height of the triangle be B and H. Then the area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Height of the new triangle is equal to height minus 40% of height, which is equal to 3 by 5 height. Now base of the new triangle is equal to B plus 20% B, which is equal to 6 by 5 B. Now the area of the new triangle is equal to 18 by 25 into area of the original triangle. So the third one is true. Achiever section question number 48. Observe the given figure carefully and select the correct option. Using the given information, we can say that A is false, B is true, and C is false. So the correct option is the B option. Achiever section question number 49. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. The product of 7 negative integers and 18 positive integers is always positive. The product of 18 positive integers is positive. The product of 7 negative integers is negative because the product of an odd number of negative number is negative. Multiplying a negative number with a positive number gives a negative result. Therefore, the overall product is always negative, not positive. So, statement 1 is false. Statement 2. If we add the largest negative number to its additive inverse, then we get 2. The largest negative integer is minus 1 and its additive inverse is 1. So, sum is equal to 0, not 2. So, statement 2 is also false. Achiever section question number 50. Mohit had a rope of length 20 meters. He cut 4 pieces of rope, each of length 2 by 5 meters to pitch a tent. He then cut the remaining rope in some pieces, each of length 3 by 5 meters. P. How much pieces of rope, each 3 by 5 meter in length, did Mohit have? Given 4 pieces of 2 by 5 meters is cut from 20 meters. So the total amount cut from 20 meters is 8 by 5 meters. So the remaining length of rope is 20 minus 8 by 5, that is 92 by 5 meters. Now P. Number of 3 by 5 meter pieces he can make with 92 by 5 meters is equal to 92 by 3, which is equal to 30 by 2 by 3, approximately 30 pieces. Q. The length of the rope left was. The length of the rope used to make 30 pieces is 30 into 3 by 5, which is equal to 18 meters. Therefore, the remaining length of the rope is equal to 92 by 5 meter minus 18 meter, which is equal to 2 by 5 meters. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss out on a video that I upload.